Hi everyone. Microsoft Edge is a great web browser, but it can sometimes use a lot of memory, especially if you have a lot of tabs open or if you're using a lot of extensions. If you're noticing that Edge is using too much memory, there are a few things you can do to fix it. Clear your browsing data. To clear your browsing data, open Edge and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then, select Settings, Privacy, Search, and Services. Choose what to clear. Select the boxes for cached images and files. Go to System and Performance and disable Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Startup Boost. Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Disable unwanted extensions. Extensions can add a lot of features to Edge, but they can also use up a lot of memory. Turn off the toggle for any extensions that you don't use regularly.